In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to add and set a passcode on your iPad. Start by opening the Settings app from your home screen. Tap Touch ID and Passcode or Face ID and Passcode from the Settings list. Tap Turn Passcode on to begin if a passcode is not already set. Choose a 6-digit passcode, or tap Passcode options to select a 4-digit or custom alphanumeric code. Type your new passcode slowly and then confirm it when prompted. If you use Touch ID or Face ID, follow the on-screen prompts to register your fingerprint or face now. Set Require Passcode to immediately for the strongest protection. Decide whether to allow access to features when locked, like USB accessories or Today View. Remember, if you forget your passcode, you'll need to erase the iPad and restore it, so pick a memorable but strong code. That's it, your iPad is now protected. Lock the screen and unlock to test your new passcode. For more quick tips, subscribe or visit our channel. Thanks for watching.